Hi friends, welcome to a new game, Catch the Starfish. In this game, we are gonna catch the starfish in the underwater world. Choose your character like a starfish and then choose a background which is underwater world. So first, what I'm gonna do is increase the size of the starfish, like grow it a little bit. And then we'll start the coding. Let's start with the green flag block to start the game. Then I'll use the repeat loop block, which means my character will keep moving again and again until we stop it. Now I added the movement blocks to make my character move right, up, left and down. These numbers tell how many steps the character should take. And look, even I added a wait block to pause a bit and then repeat loop to keep the action going. Now we will add the second script that starts when the character is tapped, like the starfish is tapped, it's gonna disappear, and after a second it will appear again. This makes it feels like you really caught the starfish. Now let's see the game in action. Now try to catch the starfish by tapping it when it moves. Yay, we caught it! I hope you enjoy this little game I made in Scratch Junior. You can try making your own version too. Don't forget to like the video.